Are you trying to choose between MyFitnessPal and Yazio? You're not alone. Many people want to find the best app for tracking their diet and fitness. Both MyFitnessPal and Yazio help you keep an eye on what you eat and how you exercise. They both offer food logging, calorie counting, and exercise tracking, but they have some differences that might make one better for you. Let's start with MyFitnessPal. This app has been around for a while. It has a huge database of foods. You can easily find what you've eaten. Plus, it connects with many fitness devices. This makes tracking your workouts simple. The community aspect is strong too, with forums and support. Now, let's look at Yazio. This app is newer, but it's gaining popularity fast. Yazio focuses on meal plans and recipes. It helps you not just track calories, but also follow specific diets like keto or vegan. It also has a clean design that many users find appealing. So, what are the key differences? MyFitnessPal is great for those who want a large food database and community support. Yazio is better for people who want meal plans and a modern interface. When it comes to features, MyFitnessPal offers more integrations with other apps and devices. Yazio shines with its diet plans and recipe suggestions. Both have free versions, but Yazio's premium features are often seen as more affordable. In the end, if you want a comprehensive tracking tool with a strong community, go for MyFitnessPal. If you prefer meal planning and a fresh design, Yazio is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.